Dear participant, welcome back at Event Matrix Hub. At this platform, I would like to let you know how you can download your certificate of participation. This is very quite easy. Just you are required to log in your account. Okay, sign in, enter here your email, then go to and enter here your password. Then click on it. So as soon as you will log in your account, then after you are required to come at my event. Those where you have registered, all the event will be displayed at this dashboard. So this is my dashboard and you can see I have registered in 3 events. So to generate your certificate, before that you must check your profile. Okay. This is my profile. If my name is correct, you can see the name is very important. Okay, this is my name. If you are required to change, if it is not according to you need, you can update from this place. Okay, and after that you can save the changes. Then after you must download your certificate, and for that I am coming back to my event, and here this is my event which I have registered. And you are required to click here collect certificate, and when I will click on it, this pop-up will open. Okay, so this is my name is I need on my certificate, and here you can see institute, organization, college detail. Okay, so I will put here my detail, my affiliation, department of physical and mathematical sciences, School of Sciences. Okay, and then I will put here my institute name, Baba Farid College of Engineering and Technology, comma, city name Bathinda, comma, country name India. So this information which you need, your affiliation must be correct. Okay, then after you can generate your certificate. Click on it and the certificate has been generated. Then after we have the view certificate. You can see this is the certificate where we can see all the information which we are required on our certificate. Then we can download from this place. Okay, and this is the sign view verification. So for the view verification, you can see when you will scan your certificate with the QR, this information will be displayed. Okay, back, and to download you are required to click here with the certificate and download the certificate. So this is my certificate of the participation, you can see, and I can download it, print or save it. Okay, so just like click on it and save as PDF. Okay, so this is the entire PDF format you can see. So this is the way how you can download or you can save your certificate of participation, and you can easily generate it. Thank you, and follow all these instructions.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं, फिल्मोरा है ना।